Hey, good afternoon, YouTubers. Maybe a lunch break, eh? So, question could come up: change. The word comes up, change. So, what does that mean? For a good part of my career, change was a triangle symbol, delta. So, that triangle, although it has many other extrusions and forms, that is one of the way I assessed things. That oscilloscope is looking at a change in something over time. So you add a small, little, tiny little T down in the corner right of that delta of the triangle of the, not a pyramid because it's only got three sides. A pyramid has four, right? So change over time. It's a aging thing. You notice is the gray or the silver progresses. So, we see it. We've seen it with the climate. If you've traveled the nation or the globe a little bit, you've seen the extent of it. But no matter where you are locally, you see these changes. But it's subtle because the climate, the seasons change. So what's normal and what's real can be subjective, instead of absolute. It can be local instead of whatever. So change that delta. What we do is we make that T very, very small to look at molecules and elements and chemical interactions. And it's very localized. It's at the interaction of molecules together in a beaker. It's not across the globe or the planet. So it's different, yet maybe relevant, whatever that little reaction was. How do we assess the value of the reactions? So you go into change. What changes things? What makes things different? And change analysis. And you get to ask questions. And if you have an institutional capacity behind you to ask questions, you will answer them better. And which institution you look for those answers within is a good challenge. It's that T thing, time. How much time have you got, and how much time are you looking for? Recent discovery of ancient canals built not in the Middle East, long before the Middle East, of aquaculture, would that be the term for it? But canals to water a huge region of an area in Australia, discovered because of the bushfires and people and satellites and a whole lot of other things that we turn on the planet to look. That civilization predates all those pointers to the Middle East, through the Middle East. It's part of the threads of a massive planet growing organisms on it. So I just extended that triangle T out into generations of longer cycles, generations of different animals, of different things on the planet. So I spoke of 1,000 years is 30 generations, I think. Nuclear waste planning, biological, chemical hazardous waste planning extends beyond the 1,000 years. It's extending into the whole environment around us now. So delta, the triangle, and T, time. And you can throw an equation in there that puts frequencies in, and And then you can go back and find the crystalline structures that have some frequencies. And you still don't find the magic in there, other than the amazement, if that's magic. So there's the concept of change, the triangle, maybe the eye in the middle of the triangle, maybe the bricks and mortar that hold the triangle up that built it. You can go there, yet history is more fascinating. So 3 cheers to Aboriginal Australians for building some of the first engineering marvels on this glorious ride. It's lunchtime. I need food. Thank you all.